Roam has a slash menu that gives you access to many of Roam's features just by hitting /. So if I'm within a block and I hit /, you'll see right away I have to do, page, block, block embed, alias, current time, Pomodoro timer, just a ton of stuff there. And when you start searching, you'll actually see that the menu is significantly longer even than that. There are a lot more specific things that you can find. And when I say start searching, I mean just continue to type, and it will narrow down as you go to the thing that you are searching for. So you can always, search. And you notice when I search for a block, I get all kinds of different types of code blocks with different programming languages. So those weren't there in the original menu when you just type the slash. That's an example of a menu that gets more specific as you search. I want to specifically point out some date and time functions that are there because it's very easy to access. One little note before I show you them in the slash menu, you can always move to a specific date with this calendar at the top of the page. If I click on the 16th, I will now be on the 16th. And that's true, you can navigate through it to find any date, anytime. But if you want to pick a date to show up as a reference, so say I wanted to reference October 16th here, I hit /, start typing the word date. By the time I've got DA typed, it's already given me the date picker as the top option. I hit that, I choose the 16th. I now have a Roam formatted reference to the 16th. And when I get there, you'll see that there's a reference down in the linked references that was created there. So if I had a task or a reminder I needed to set for myself for that day, that's a great and easy way to do it. Use that / for the date picker, and then just choose the date that you want to reference. And that's very, very simple. If you want to log a current time, hitting / and start typing current time, you can either start typing time and bring it up, or current, whatever is easiest for you. But you don't need to get very far into it. And once you're there, you can just hit enter once something's selected down there. Like for instance, I could choose calculator when it's just CU, but current time is what I want. If I hit enter, it'll enter the time in a 4-digit 24-hour format. So there will be a leading 0 if it's before 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's your local time. So this is really valuable for logging meetings or events throughout the day. You don't have to glance at the clock. You can just hit / CU, hit enter, and you'll have the current time ready for you. You can also quickly access today, yesterday, and tomorrow. So if I hit / today, I'm going to get a reference to today. You'll notice it even showed up in the linked references there. If I need to do something for yesterday, I can start typing yesterday, and I'll get October 5th. Same with tomorrow, start typing that. Tomorrow is the one I use most often because in my task management system, I don't use a ton of dates. I use a lot of different GTD-style contexts, but occasionally I'll use a date. And if something needs to be postponed, oftentimes that's to tomorrow. So I use that / tomorrow probably most frequently of the set here. But those are very simple. The slash menu has a lot more than just date features. It has pretty much every feature you could want to access in Roam. Feel free to play around in there. But I wanted to use the date features as a way of kind of giving you an understanding of how that slash menu works. And also because the next video, or a couple videos down here, I'm going to talk about tracking and logging, and having those date features under your fingertips makes that much easier. So that is how the slash menu allows you to do a lot of different things in Roam, and in particular allows you to access the date features within Roam. If this video helped you, click subscribe and check out my Roam courses as well. I have the Roaman Way, which is a free course to help you learn the fundamentals of Roam research. I have AP Productivity, which is my flagship Roam course. It is an 8-week live cohort course to help you get important work done in Roam research. I have Powerful Task Management in Roam research, which helps you build a GTD-style setup for task management in Roam. And I have Your Road to Roam, which I'm actually updating in November or December of 2021. And it is a deeper dive than the free course, The Roaman Way. It has live masterclasses, Q&A sessions, additional instruction about Roam extensions, especially Smart Blocks and Roam 42, which you can get from roamjs.com. And there's a community forum for discussion of new Roam features or help with your workflows. Roam Research is an amazing tool, and I want to help you make the most of it in your life and work.